friends and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss how to create a personal blog using this code.org platform. So I hope you guys watch this video. So before starting the session, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to get the notifications if I post more videos. Okay, so now let's get started with the project name known as personal blog. Okay, so now here in the body what we are going to do is, first let's create a header. Okay, so I'm going to create an header in which you are going to give your heading. Okay, so here I am going to give img src. For your picture you can just give your picture. Alt is equals to student image, width is 100. Okay, this is what I am gonna set. Got it? In the next section, let's write the name in the h1 tag. So whatever is your name, you can directly type that. I am going to type here coding DD. Now in the h3 tag we are going to give the titles, like you are a student, right? Student of grade 10. The next thing that I'm going to type is like traveler, loves to sing, and whatever is your title that you want to explain, you can directly give that. Okay, so now let's go to the style and make it look beautiful. So here in this header I'm going to give like background color, any color of your choices. Okay, I'll give this color. Padding, then next is the color that you want to give, let it be black itself. And now let's give the text align center. Okay, so that's it. So now again, if you have a picture you can directly give that. First let me see whether I have any image to be uploading. Okay, have any image. I'll just take an image of an Eiffel Tower. Okay, okay, that's it for now. Okay, now the next one that I'm going to open is the now. Okay, here inside which we are going to create all of the things that you need. See here in this H3 tag I am going to give the academic details. Now you can just use an unordered list to give your academic details. Okay, inside the unordered list again you need an li, right? And inside this li you can directly give scored 97%. Okay, in whichever grade or whatever it is you can directly give. Okay, this is just to get some content. I am doing the same. Okay, now this is over. Let's create the next one, which is said to be known as the languages that you know. So let's give like languages known. Now let's give bar ul. Okay, so here you can give whatever is the language that you know. Okay, I'll be directly copying it so that we can give it for everyone. Okay, so I'll give like English, Hindi, Urdu, and whichever is the one that you know you can just continue. Okay, the last thing I am going to give is about the hobbies. Okay, The last thing that I'm going to give here is about the hobbies. Okay, inside the UL we have to give li like listening to music, playing dance, or whatever it is. Okay, so now that it's all over, we are going to make it look more beautiful using the style CSS. So what you can give here is, first let's give the one for this. Let's give like float left and the width to be 20%. The next is the background color, whichever is the color you want you can directly give. I have chosen aquamarine. Let's see. Okay, now let's give some padding here. Again 20 px just to make it look more beautiful. Okay, now let's give the box shadow like box shadow is like 5 px, 10 px, and the color is this. Okay, so now I think it's okay. Now let's give the width if you want. Okay, the width is already set. Now let's set the height to 450 px. Okay, so if I give here also 5 px, it will look more good, right? So let this look like this for the time being. Okay, the next one I'm going to give is the article. Okay, so after this, now I'm going to start something known as article bar article. So here is where you are going to give the complete content that you want to give. Okay, so the first article here is, let's give again an article with a class known as A1 because as it is article 1. Okay, now here is bar article. Got it? So now here you can just write here in this H3 tag, you can give about your best friends, or first you will give about myself or about me. Okay, here we will just create another article inside here itself. Class is equals to A2 bar article. So now I hope you guys won't be able to see because it's onto the top. Okay, now I'll just create like this. Now inside this, let's set about my friends. Okay, got it? So now here we are going to paste the complete content in the P tag. Both of here you can just give a P tag. Got it? Now let's go to the google.com and now you can just take about me composition and then you will get a complete composition about yourself. Got it? You can directly copy it. So now let's paste about me. Okay, I'm just going to paste it here, and it's here. This doesn't look good because we haven't set up, right? Okay, but no problem. You can directly paste it here. Now this is about the hobbies. Okay, it's about friends, right? Let's change it to about hobbies in a big paragraph. You can give them. Okay, so now let's set the style. Okay, so the style is, here we are first going to give like article. Let's give like float, right, width 70%. I think 75 will also be okay, or 70 is okay. Now let's set the background color, which is like this. Okay, this and this goes well. Let's give the same box shadow here as well. Okay, let's give the padding, which is set to be 30px. Okay, I think 20 is okay. Okay, so now here there is a confusion because everything is article itself, right? We'll just share and see how this looks like. Okay, just share it and see. So now you know that every article again has got a border. So what you have to do, you can just give here a class known as A3, and here in style you can directly give as dot A3. So now it will be fixed. I think yes. Now let's set the height to be 450px. So now these both will be the same. Okay. So now let's set the width like 70. We can just give like 80, because here I think 80 will also look good. No, we'll give like 78. We'll give like 70, right? Okay, so that's it. So this is about the blog that we created about a student. So if you want to just make it into the right, you can directly do that, and whatever the CSS styles you want to change, you can give more contents also, because as it is a tutorial I just give some of the contents. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any queries about this, please do let me know. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.